break the ice? Hello and welcome to my Easy Talk Corner, where you learn one useful English expression every day, explained in both English and Burmese. What is break the ice? I need to break the ice. How can I break the ice? What do I need to break the ice?
Break the ice. What is a break the ice? Can someone explain to me?
Okay, now, I will explain to you with an example sentence and a Burmese transition what a break the ice is. Today's phrase is, break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a friendly way, especially with someone you don't know well or in an uncomfortable situation.
Example sentence. At the meeting, he told a funny story to break the ice.
Now it's your turn. Can you think of a way to break the ice when meeting someone new? Try using the phrase in your sentence today. Don't forget to follow and share Easy Talk Corner channel. See you tomorrow with another new phrase. Bye bye.